Bonjour et bienvenue une autre fois à Junior's French class. Hello, I'm back to you with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the definite articles in French, les articles définis. As we all know, in English we have just one single definite article, which is the. But in French we have four definite articles. You may wonder and you may ask, what are they? This is what I'm gonna answer in this video. Stay with me. The French definite articles are le, la, l'apostrophe, les. All of them mean the. Let's start with the easiest definite article in French, since we use it for the plural of both masculine and feminine. We use it before the plural words of both genders. Let's have a look at some examples. Les vagues, the waves, les ordinateurs, the computers, les fenêtres, the windows, les stylos, the pens. The second one is l'apostrophe. We use it when the word begins with a vowel or H. Let's have a look also at some examples. L'arbre, which is the tree. L'image, the picture. L'art, the art. The third ones are le, we use it for masculine words, and la, we use it for feminine words. You may wonder and ask, how do we know whether the word is feminine or masculine? The answer is very simple. Most of the feminine words in French, about 75% of words ends with e. We're not going to set this as a general rule because we still have some exceptions. Let's have a look at the following examples. Le chocolat, chocolate. Le ciel, the sky. Le vélo, the bicycle. Le stylo, the pen. La porte, the door. La poubelle, the trash bin. La montre, the watch. La voiture, the car. It's time to practice now. Let's have a look at the following examples. Please try to answer with the right definite article. Le, la, l'apostrophe, or les. The first word is table, the table. Since the ending is e, we are going to answer la table. Repeat please. La table. The next one, téléphone. Since the ending is e, we are going to answer la téléphone. Here is an exception. Le téléphone. Repeat please. Le téléphone is considered as a masculine word rather than feminine one. The next one, crayon, which is the pencil. Le crayon. Repeat please. Le crayon. The next one, verre. Here is another exception. We are going to answer with le verre because it's considered as a masculine word, even the ending is e. Chaise. La chaise, which is the chair. Repeat please. La chaise. The next one. Télévision. Here is another exception. We would say la télévision rather than le télévision. Poubelle. We're going to answer les poubelles, which are the trash bins. Repeat please. Les poubelles. Finally, livre. This is also one of the exceptions. We would say le livre, even the endings is a E.